Hello, let's talk about divorce in Uganda. What's divorce? What are the grounds for divorce? And where do you go if at all you want to file for divorce here in Uganda? My name is Naiza Barbara. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment. Let's start by defining the term divorce. Divorce refers to the legal dissolution of a marriage by court. So it's the permanent dissolution or permanent ending of a marriage which is done by court. So you cannot say that you dissolved your marriage or you divorced your wife or husband without you going to court. You must go to court in order for you to say that you divorced your wife or husband. What are the grounds for divorce? One of the grounds for divorce is adultery. Adultery refers to an act or having a sexual relationship with another woman or man who is not your husband or wife. We also have another form of adultery where one of the partner or one of the party to the marriage goes ahead and have a sexual relationship with his or her family relative, close family relative. That includes sister, brother, maybe with a cousin, mother, all that. So in that situation, you can apply for divorce. There is also another situation of cruelty. It can either be mental or physical. In that regard, you can as well apply for divorce in Uganda. There is also another ground of desertion. Desertion is when you desert, like when you leave your partner for a period of 2 years and above. 2 years and above without any sexual intercourse. This can happen when someone is not in the house, like when you two people are now living in different states or different districts, different villages. But it can as well happen when you have one house, but everyone sleeps in his or her room. It's the same house, but everyone sleeps in his or her room. There is no sexual intercourse in that situation, but the period has to be 2 years and above. In that situation, you can file for divorce. So what is the procedure for filing for divorce? What's the procedure? What do you have to do in order for you to file for divorce? 1, you must draft a petition. You must draft a petition, but before you draft a petition, let's first go back and learn which court do you have to go to in order for you to apply for divorce. First and foremost, if at all you're an African, Ugandan or African, like African continent, then you can apply for divorce in the grade 1 magistrate or a chief magistrate court. But if one of the partner or one of the spouse is not a Ugandan and not an African, you have to apply for divorce in the High Court. Hope we are getting the point. If at all your partner is not a Ugandan and not an African, you apply for divorce in the High Court. If at all your partner is a Ugandan or an African, then you apply in the magistrate grade 1 or chief magistrate court here in Uganda. So after knowing where you take your application, what are the documents you need? 1, you need a petition. Yeah, a petition is a document which entails all your information and all the grounds. What are you claiming and what did this person do to you? What are the orders you want court to pronounce itself on, and so on. Then after drafting the petition, gather your supporting evidence. Gather your supporting documents. And then from there, you can file your documents in court. Court will issue summons, and then the other person, your partner, will answer to the petition, will file an answer to the petition. So after doing that, court will set a hearing date. The moment the hearing date is set, it means that every party is on the same line with court. Court will tell you people to go for mediation. Mediation helps both parties to maybe reconcile